It's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NWBO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very nice move from where it was down here to where it ultimately closed. Sure, it pulled back here a little bit, but still, from close to where it ultimately closed yesterday to where it closed today, everybody can agree, good solid day. But that does lead to the logical question, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single point, and that point is right here at the purple line, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. And the reason for that is follows the lines of logic, which I hope we can agree on, that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to make progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. So with that in mind, think about that purple line there. Again, the 50-period simple moving average. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what is that doing to the price? That's putting the price right back inside of this range where it was when things were looking really nasty. And again, going back to where you were, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around, right around that purple line, and then heads back up. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a good solid set of lows right there. The previous set of lows would be down there. If you picture each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what truly strong moves are going to do. They're going to make progress as time unfolds, and I'm just defining and quantifying quote-unquote progress as the 50-period simple moving average. On the flip side of things, where are levels of resistance at? Pretty straightforward here. It's all about the 200-period simple moving average, which is that pink line there. You can see that, beautiful example on the power of charts. The price was going and going and going, and then up. What a coincidence. It literally bounced right off that level. Now, I'm not saying it's impossible to break through that pink line. I'm just saying it makes sense why it got rejected there. And going forward, that is certainly public enemy number one for the chart. All in all, though, no doubt about it. Very nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.